Ayan guys, look at that guys. So inalis po natin siya dito sa halaman kasi nakakalbo na. Nakakalbo na yung halaman eh. So ililipat na lang natin sila ng ibang habitat, no? Kasi kawawa naman yung halaman, kalbong-kalbo na. So ito po yung mga pupo niya. Guys, yung green na yan, yung pellet na yan. Yan ang pupo ng caterpillar. Diba ang dami? That green pellet guys, green pellet, yan, pellet yan. Pupo po yan ito. Let me see, I'm not yet done. I'm taking a video of it, you know. And we're going to count it again. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, guys, there are 10. There are 10 caterpillars. Ayan, we got 10 caterpillars. We're going to transfer it into another. Okay.